Good day, everyone. This is ENL Palalios. This will be a short video about brain chips like Neuralink. So I was given this one question. Would you allow electrodes to be implanted in your brain in order to enhance the user experience and control everyday objects with thought? Why or why not? So I have an answer, and my answer is no. Sometimes being limited is a great thing rather than, enhancing some things like user experience. For what? More dopamine? We already have many things to achieve and do rather than this. Because this is a totally different thing, right? It's a modification of a mind. I mean, for people who have disabilities and are impaired, it can be useful for them to experience what a normal human can be capable of. But if a normal and healthy human uses it, I think it's too much. It's an overkill for me. It's like playing with God. You are given such greatness like intelligence, adaptability, and sheer determination, but you still want more than that. No. And it can be dangerous because it's in our brain, right? It has a high potential to help the world. I can deny that. And but also a high potential to destroy it. What if a hacker infiltrates your brain? What are you going to do? Right? It's extremely dangerous because we are talking about the mind. I don't want to be trapped and controlled. This is like the Matrix movie. What if all the brain chip or Neuralink users are going to be controlled by an evil guy? Now we are being monitored and controlled. We are trapped and unable to escape. This feels like dystopian, and it's very scary for me. And I will add, I think I don't want to be a part of a hive mind when everyone acts as one and is controlled. Yes, all living all living things on earth seeks freedom. We humans want it too. If we want to help the people, animals, plants, and our planet, we must understand that we can still help and innovate without infiltrating some important parts of ourselves, like our mind. And sometimes having a limitation is not always bad for me. It's like preventing us from doing something that will cause harm to others. At last, my stance is no, clearly. It's not because I am that religious, but because it's too much and at the same time extremely dangerous. AI, artificial intelligence, I think one of the greatest inventions that we humans created. It can help solve numerous problems in today's world, right? But we need to control, limit, and use it only to help, not to destroy. Because we all know that too much is bad, and setting a limitation can prevent bad things from happening. I think that's it, guys. That's my answer to that question. Thank you for watching.